Is your MSI Afterburner fan speed control is not working on Windows? Then let's discuss a few fixes to restore fan speed control. Now before moving to complex fixes, try following the basic fixes like restarting MSI Afterburner to rule out temporary software problems, making sure that MSI Afterburner is up to date, and you also have to ensure that the GPU is working and properly plugged in. But if those simple methods did not work, enable the fan speed settings. To do that, launch the MSI Afterburner, click on Settings, click the Fan tab, check the box for Enable User-Defined Software Automatic Fan Control. Next to the predefined fan speed curve, select Custom, then click the Apply option. Lastly, what you can try to do is open Control Panel, click Programs and Features, find MSI Afterburner in the list, right-click on it, then select Uninstall. Then, reinstall the software again as you did in the first time. After that, your MSI Afterburner fan speed control should be restarted to default. So those are the following fixes if your MSI Afterburner fan speed control is not working on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.